Hello everyone, I am Neha and I welcome you all to my channel. So I have come with a pick a card reading. यहाँ पे आपके पास तीन piles हैं, pile 1, pile 2 and pile 3. So we will see कि what the month of December holds and what is the guidance, plus what is the guidance from power of love, what the quality which you need to work upon. Thirdly, we will see, you can think of any question and we can see with the angel guidance whether that you should move ahead in that direction or you should just change your direction. So I will share the clipping of these three piles. So what you can do is you can just relax yourself, calm down yourself, do some breathing exercise, and then you can choose the pile. You can pray to the Almighty, to the Divine to guide you to the correct pile. And this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with you. So take what resonates with you and leave the rest. So thank you. Let's get started. Hello pile 1. जिन्होंने pile 1 चूज किया है, let's see कि what the month of December holds for you. What is the guidance for the month of December for you? Well, pile 1, December month you will be feeling anxiety, guilty. A lot of manipulation is there in the energy, and you want to change this, but somehow you are not able to. You are trying your best, but somehow the situation is so much toxic and so many people are manipulating you. You are not able to come out, but this is for the approx 10 days of December you will feel this manner, but the later part you will transform yourself because you have got this transformation card. You will come across certain situation you will face. You will not run from your situation, not anymore now, and now you want to come out from this toxic situation. So Divine will show you the true faces of the people, and you are like now saying enough is enough. Now I can't tolerate. Now I don't want anything less, and you are just cutting out people from your life. You have all the tools. Divine is there to guide you, to help you, to support you, and you are making peace with your past. In the past you felt that certain situation is very happy and beautiful flowers are there and it's very happy lovey-dovey type, but then you realize that this person or situation is like a lot of manipulation is there, lot many people are involved here, and this drama you can't bear it anymore. So what you have figured it out is it's time to cut such relation and to move ahead. Your inner child wants to come out from this situation, and you will, and you certain changes are there and you will. It's only you who have stayed here. No one is stopping you to move ahead, but once you realize your true worth, you will come out from this situation. You will mold yourself into more positive. This particular situation came in your life to bring lot of maturity. Certain lessons need to be learned, and now you have learned those lessons. Now you just want to change your life. You are doing, you are changing. Divine is helping you out. So it's a positive thing that you are coming out from the toxicity, and now you are scared also, like you are scared to go out and experience life because this situation has made you like have scared you, and you want to go out, your inner child wants to go out, but somehow you are scared to take this step. But don't worry, as your true nature is, you will step out because light is there and you will definitely come out from this situation. This situation has made you scared. This situation has made you to create walls around you. You're not letting in anyone, and neither you are meeting or going out. So this particular situation won't last anymore because you have now come out from this. You have come out. You have dealt with so many toxicity. So month of December is a transformation month for you, pile 1. Now let's see what is the message for power of love. Well, you have received kindness and action, and you need this kindness. You need to take action. Okay, so kindness, you are humanitarian, made of love, and you are able to share that energy with others. Action, you have the courage to express the unique loving colors of your soul. So power of love is saying that don't forget that positive nature of yourself, that you are a kind soul. So it's okay, certain people have created toxicity in your life, but then your true nature is kindness. You can't let it go. Take action, come out from that situation. So now we will see from the angel guidance what is the answer to your question, whether it is yes, no, maybe, or is there any other suggestion to it. Ask your angels. So from the angel guidance, the answer is ask your angels. So you need to keep faith to the God, to the divine, and just ask to the divine to show you certain signals, to guide you. So you need to ask help from your angels. So that all, pile 1. Hope you like my reading, and if you do like, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. हेलो पाइल 2, जिन्होंने पाइल 2 चूज़ किया है, लेट्स सी कि उनके लिए दिसंबर मंथ में क्या गाइडेंस है. फिर जिन्होंने भी पाइल 2 चूज़ किया है, दिसंबर मंथ में you have created wall around you. You will be feeling lonely. Sadness is around you. And you are like, this certain situation was so much like a poison. See, this man's face turned blue. So certain situation has made you so hard on yourself also. It is a tough cycle which you were going through. It was all illusion around you. The person you were trusting was giving false promises to you, and now you are not in a position to trust anyone. You are comparing yourself with someone else. Seems like a third party situation is there in this pile. 3 people are involved and you are comparing yourself. The next card is of comparison. The comparison is there. You were looking for importance, that certain person prioritize you, but I think the person was never able to prioritize you. And now you have learned this lesson. This person came into your life to teach you self-love, self-worth, that you should not compare yourself with others. And when you realize this, you are in this beautiful energy, very vibrant and full of attitude. You know where to give your energy now. So a lot of transformation taken place. From this, you feeling lonely and suppressed, you were crying from this come on baby type. So this lady is like very confident and she is not scared. She knows her worth. She is in her love with herself. So many beautiful colors are there in her life. She is blossoming, glowing, because now she has accepted and now she know the value of self-love. We all should know the value of self-love. So much beautiful. This card is such a positive card. Means whatever the situation has given you tears, and now you are like, okay, now I'm done with the tears stuff. I don't want any tears, comparison. A person who can offer me, I will offer my energy to that person only. Now you are taking stand, and that is required. You are coming out from this overthinking energy, and now you are practicing self-love. Very, very beautiful energy, and this is a very positive card. It's a more prosperous energy. This lady is so confident and she is more like she wants to enjoy all the colors of life. So it's a very positive card. Now let's see Power of Love. Message from Power of Love. Okay, the first card says humility. You have developed the loving awareness that you and everyone else are the same but on different paths. See, you were comparing yourself and now you have figured out the self-love, and the same card is saying humility, that you have developed that this loving awareness that everyone's path is different and people come in your life to teach you lessons. Okay, the second card says transformation. You use the power of love to move through illusion and shift into awareness. See how it relates. Transformation. From this to this. You know your worth now. You know that people come in your life to teach you lesson. And now you have learned your lesson of self-love is the most important thing. One should know the value of self-love. Very beautiful card. Now let's see, whatever your question was, let's see what is the guidance from the angels. Well, wow, whatever your question is, the answer is yes, a big yes. So all the best, pile 2. If you do like my reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello pile 3. Let's see what is the guidance for the month of December for you. Oh wow, positive cards for you. Pile 3, you were in a situation not able to take any action, but finally you realize that this particular situation is not serving you anymore. So you have decided to let go. And this is the beauty of the situation. That particular situation was there in your life to understand that no one stays forever. People come in your life, teach you lesson, learn from them, and then they just go away. So it's time to let go. Very beautiful. Second card is like healing. Particular situation has disturbed you. It was a very hard lesson which you have learned. But now you are in self-love. You are balancing all your chakras. You are loving yourself. And now you are trusting and keeping faith in the divine. You have learned your lesson and now you are praying to God that now please, please, please guide me, heal me. You are healing. This divine energy is surrounded you and it is there to help you. And you have recovered. You have learned the value of self-love, nurturing yourself. See, so many stars are there in the crown area of this lady. So, particular situation was very struggling, but you came as a winner. You are blossoming now. You have accepted life the way it is. You have healed yourself. You were healing and now in this you have healed. So either you would be learning something new. Now you are ready to accept new. You are welcoming life. Some new people. And now you are turning your back from the situation. Whatever the situation is, you are turning your back. You have healed, and after healed, you are into this prosperous energy with lot of creativity, love, self-love, prosperous, abundance. It's a very beautiful card. Now let's see what is the message for power of love. Trust. You have a strong connection to your soul, loving voice, and have faith in your intuition. See, just trust. You have given your trust to the divine and divine have healed you to transform into this. So you have given your trust. Trust is something, if you just put your trust in divine, divine will surely help you out. The second card says cause and effect. You are aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of your results. You realize that this particular situation, you have learned the lesson, so it's time to let go. And soon you realize this, the foundation is changed. You healed yourself, you practice self-love and blossom. Your soul blossomed. And see all the colors, such a vibrant colors are there and it is blossoming. You are enjoying all the beauty, all the colors of life now. And this lesson you have learned and you are practicing also this lesson. So now let's see whatever your question is, what is the answer? Recovery. See how all the cards are aligned. You are recovery. Then in this also cause and effect and trust. And the other card is recovery. So whatever your question is, it's time first to recover yourself first. Trying to analyze all the pros and cons of the particular situation and then take a decision. So you can just wait for a while and then you can take a decision. Divine, ask the help from the divine. See, divine is there to help you. Your higher soul is there to help you. Just you need to ask, you need to trust the divine timing. So that all pile 3. If you like my reading, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.